Where can you hear artists like Divided We Stand, Avid Addiction, Promise the World, Scent of Remains, and Damage Done? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey guys, want to capture that special occasion forever with the best quality photos you can get anywhere in our area? Well, then you need Through the Eyes of Sam Photography. Whether it's weddings, parties, events, or maybe your band needs some show photos taken, you can trust that you will get the best from Through the Eyes of Sam Photography. Give them a call at 423-839-5364 or look them up on Facebook. Fans, be sure to ask for the Tri-City Local Music discount. That's Through the Eyes of Sam Photography.
Hey, this is Josh from A Fleeting Farewell. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Who plays the best in local music in the Tri-Cities. The one and only Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey, what's up? This is Nikki with the band Lucid Fly, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Broken, hungry, got a lot to say, but in the end we'll make our hard work pay. Come on, motherfucking hard on the 9 to 5. We work so hard just to stay alive.
This is Jay from 99.3 The X, and you're checking out Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Where can you hear national acts like Burn Halo, Trapped, Candlebox, Seasons After, mixed with some of the area's best local artists? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey guys, this is Severance. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
So peace and rest. shut